Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, August 5th, 2023. It is 5:27 and 47 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cancer and fungus. So let's hop to it here. New research cast doubt on role of fungus in driving pancreatic cancer. Date August 3rd, 2023. Source, Duke University. As 4 years ago, a report that a common species of fungus might fuel pancreatic cancer offered a promising new view of the deadly disease, but in working to validate the finding, researchers have found no such association. The scientific investigators and microbiologists conducted a multi-pronged analysis of data from the earlier study and found no link between pancreatic microbiome and the development of pancreatic cancer. There is a growing body of literature connecting the human microbiome to disease, and this was particularly compelling for pancreatic cancer, but their findings did not support an association between fungi and the development of pancreatic cancer in humans. The original study raised hopes that there might be a possible method of preventing pancreatic cancer with the use of antifungals or some other approach to protect from infection. As focusing on the research team's original sequencing data, the Duke researchers were unable to reproduce the findings. Additional studies using pancreatic cancer tissue in Duke repositories also failed to produce the original results. They believe their findings highlight the challenges of using low biomass samples for microbiome sequencing studies. The inclusion of appropriate negative controls and efforts to identify and remove sequencing contaminants is critical to the interpretation of microbiome data. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.